This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can turn on or off the return to home obstacle detection in this drone. So at the start, enter the camera view of the DJI Go app. Next, tap at the three dots you'll find to your top right to launch settings. Here select the second category, that is the visual navigation, scroll all the way down, enter the advanced settings section. Here, once again, scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and, well, at the bottom, you'll find the RTH obstacle detection feature, which you can switch off or on. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.